backtrack to a concrete example for you about this 3 right here tied up with this 3 right here. So, let's say someone is falling forward. Okay? There will be sensors in your feet and ankle that will tell the brain that you are leaning over at the ankle joint. There are sensors in your joint that will tell them, oh yeah, he's bending at the ankle forward, so he must be falling forward. Your vision will obviously tell the brain, oh yeah, I'm approaching the floor here. Okay? So the brain, oh yeah, he's falling forward. The inner ear then, if you're falling forward, then your head is leaning forward. The inner ear will tell the brain, yeah, his head is leaning forward this fast. Now the brain has to process that quickly so you don't fall. The brain then will command specific muscles. Muscles in the back of your leg. Muscles in your butt. Muscles in your back. Muscles in the back of your neck to pull you back upright so you don't fall. You guys follow? So that's one concrete example of how these components of balance control work together with the sources of sensation. Now,